What's up, YouTube friends? Valentine's Day is fastly approaching, so today I'm going to show you how to make this Scrappy Strip Heart Block. It's very simple to put together. To make this block, you're going to need 6 2.5-inch strips. We're going to be sewing these into strip sets. So I went ahead and I got 2 whites and a dark for this one, and then 2 darks and a light for this strip set. You're also going to need 2 6-inch squares and 2 2-inch squares. Now for my light colored fabric, I'm going to be using this kind of gray paisley. There are some paisley prints in this purple, so I thought it matched perfectly. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab a friction pen or a pencil, and I'm going to just draw a line corner to corner on all 4 of my squares. Just like that. And then you just want to set these off to the side for a minute. Next, we're just going to sew our strip sets together. So I'm going to take 2 of my strips, lay them right sides together, and with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, I'm going to backstitch at the beginning and the end, and I'm going to sew all the way down until I get to the end. When I'm done with that, I'm going to open it up, give it a press. I'm going to grab my next piece, lay them right sides together, and do the exact same thing. And I'm going to do that to both of my strip sets. Alright guys, so I'll be using a 2.5 stitch length and a straight stitch. I'm going to back stitch in the beginning. And I'm using a pretty fat 1/4 inch seam allowance only because of this edge here. Now that we have both of our strip sets sewn together, we're going to cut these into 6-inch squares. And we're going to do that to both strip sets. You should get 6 blocks per strip set, but my Amazon special here kind of shorted me here at the end, so I was 1 block short. Luckily I have a few extra scrappy ones here from a previous project. For each quilt block, you're going to need 2 of each strip sets. So I have 2 of my blocks going up and down, and then 2 of my blocks going horizontal. Next, we're going to take our 6-inch squares with our lines drawn on the back from corner to corner, and I'm just going to lay it over the bottom 2 squares, and so that the point comes together, and that's the bottom of the heart. And then I'm just going to throw a couple pins out of here so it doesn't move. So I'll kind of spin this around here. So this is the bottom of the heart. And then I'm just going to take my 2-inch squares and I'm going to lay them just like this, so that my line is right here and right here, and that'll be the top arches of our heart. And then just throw a couple pins. So it should look just like that. Now we're just going to take this over to our sewing machine, and I'm going to sew directly on our lines, backstitching at the beginning and the end. So now I'm just going to clip off my dog ears and just leave a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You could use your pinking shears if you want to. And for these two, I'm actually going to use my ruler and measure a 1/4 inch away. And I'm actually going to take these back over to my sewing machine, just sew that down with the 1/4 inch seam allowance and save this. Because with those scraps, you can sew them together and make a little mug rug. And now you just want to press these open. Now these should measure 6 by 6, but these ones kind of get a little wonky because of that corner bit. So I'm just going to trim them down if need be. And now we just need to sew this together. So I'm going to start with the bottom first. I'm going to line up my sides. I'm also going to line up my point down here at the bottom. So you are going to want to nest your seams. And with the 1/4 inch seam allowance, back stitching at the beginning and the end, I'm going to sew right down the side. I'm going to do the same thing on the top. So now I'm just going to press these open, making sure my seams go opposite directions, and then I'm just going to sew those two together. It should look like this after a good press, and now I'm just going to trim this down to 11 by 11, and it should only be very little amount of fabric that you have to cut off of here. And just like that, your Scrappy Strip Heart Block is finished. As I mentioned earlier, you are able to get 3 blocks out of 2 strip sets. So I sewed all 3 of them together and made this cute little table runner that I'm going to give to my friend at work. I alternated my hearts so it didn't matter which way it went onto the table. Now y'all know that I love a nice black binding, and then I just went ahead and I put the backing as this Live, Laugh, Love fabric that I got a long time ago at Walmart. So after Valentine's Day, they could just flip this over for every day. When I quilted this one together, I did quilt around the hearts, hoping I would see the design kind of in the back. Now, if I would have used a darker thread here, it would have showed a little bit more. So on the other one, I'm just going to go ahead and just stitch in the ditch and make it nice and simple. And like I mentioned earlier, keep your scraps because it makes a cute little matching mug rug. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this quilt block tutorial. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, hit that big red subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. I hope you find a honey this year. I'm still looking. And I'll see you next time.